Hey guys, good morning. Happy Sunday. So yesterday, like late yesterday evening, I had posted, just typed out, hey, we're gonna be moving the chickens to their new home tomorrow, and good morning, sweetie. And I'm gonna show you guys how to clip wings. What is it? Good morning. And so I got a lot of people that had made comments about, oh no, please don't do that. It's it'll make the chickens where they can't fly and they can't protect themselves and they can't do this and that and the other thing. Well, let me just explain to you why here we will be clipping our chickens' wings. The first thing is because...
Mom!
Yes?
I can see you. What did you do to the TV?
Oh, did you come in the living room? We
Have I game?
not right now.
Where is it?
No, not right now, but you can let that dog out.
What'd you do?
Put her outside.
The TV.
We just moved it around. Put Juki outside, please. Bannon.
No.
Okay. Bannon.
No.
Put Juki outside. You like that chair? Go get you a blanket. I think you'll like it. Let the dog out, maybe, so she can go potty.
So you don't go potty? Come on, Judy. Let's go potty. But I'm not scratching the door.
That's all right. Don't let him in. He just wants his friend.
He's not on that dude's back.
Yeah.
I fit it.
Okay. So, anyway, good morning, Tina. Good morning, Donna. Joyce, Mary, hello. Okay, Ellie. Okay, honey. Is you? From Long Island? Oh my gosh. Hi, Cynthia. Gosh, I'm losing my train of thought. Okay. So, because the chickens are going into a coop, it's just a fenced... Okay. Poor buttermilk. Why? Anyway. It's just a fenced coop, which means that the top of it's open. Okay. Now, as far as hogs go, somebody mentioned, oh, they won't be safe from hogs. They have a shelter to go into. The sun is coming up. It's not up yet.
Oh, the chicken bite me.
What chicken?
The white one.
Did you stick your finger in the cage?
Yep, it bite me.
That's what happens.
Why?
They thought it was a worm.
Ha! That's stupid. I want to kill them.
So anyway, we're trying to keep the chickens in the coop. So obviously, stop. Now it's enough.
Are you talking so much?
Yeah, I am. I'm trying.
Yeah.
Bannon. You like that new chair?
It's mine. It's mine now. It's mine.
Okay.
Wait, I can see the TV. I can play a game.
Okay, not right now. Just give me a second, okay?
Not one now.
Let me have a second.
Is that I can play the game?
Maybe.
That's fun for you, Mom.
Oh, you like that?
Where'd you get it from?
Off Marketplace.
Oh, yeah.
We got a new chair last night. It's a Papasan chair.
Last night I got Mermos. Guess what custom?
I don't want... Listen.
Can I tell you something?
No. Listen, I'm on a video right now. You give me about just a few minutes and we'll talk all about it, okay? But right now I'm not really sure what you're going to say. And it might be inappropriate because you have a tendency to be inappropriate. So just give me a second. Okay? Please. Hello? Are we good? Okay. Now, sorry guys. You never know what's going to come out of his mouth first thing in the morning. Okay, Ellie, you need to go right here.
Come here.
Yeah, go to your boy.
Come here. Come here.
So anyway, it's a little chilly in here this morning. Not cold, just a little chilly.
Baby. That's what you're on my chair.
Anyway,
You're
hang on. The top of the chicken coop is open.
I want Edgar on my chair.
Okay.
Shit.
And everybody's like, oh, the predators. Okay, first of all, they've sheltered from the hawks. They've sheltered from the rain and the wind and everything. Clipping their wings does not prevent them from getting on a roost. It prevents them from going over the fence.
Stop it. Stop it.
This is going to help us control.
School for the whole weekend.
Yeah, you go back to work, school tomorrow.
Why?
Because today's Sunday. Tomorrow's Monday. So you have school on Monday.
That's school tomorrow?
Yes.
My God, no.
So anyway,
Mom, is Daddy off work
today,
today?
yeah.
And he's off work tomorrow?
No, he has to go to work tomorrow.
Why?
Because it's Monday.
Mom, don't
Anyway,
Mommy.
we'll be talking about it later because he's not going to let me do it. I love y'all. I'm clipping their wings. It doesn't hurt. It's not dangerous. It's not going to cause them to be attacked by predators. As you may or may not know, we've not lost any chickens to predators at all, except for we lost a couple to my dachshunds back a few weeks ago. But predators are not a problem here because Juki and Buttermilk, they patrol. And I'm still sleepy, darling. And Buttermilk stays out all night because he won't come in, especially since it warmed up. And Juki wasn't in last night, but normally she's outside. And they patrol all night and they keep stuff like that away. And I don't think they are guardian dogs, but they have made themselves guardian dogs. Good, I'm glad you did, baby. Anyways, I'm going to go and talk to my boy because he is definitely wanting to talk to me this morning. So, I love you guys, and I will see y'all
Bye,
later.
guys.